Our plan had been to work our way north through the Maldives and clear out from Uligan. Along the way lay the tiny Dholhiyadhoo Atoll. I'd heard about this place before, famous for its abandoned luxury resort, and I was keen to see it for myself. Dholhiyadhoo is an idyllic, postcard-perfect atoll, shaped like a semicircle and offering excellent protection from the surrounding seas. It was once destined to become a luxury resort developed by Zitali Properties, with a grand opening planned for 2011. The resort was destined to feature 100 luxury villas and suites, each with its own private plunge pool. Plans also included a large swimming pool, fitness centre, library, tennis court, water sports, dive centre, gift shop and even a currency exchange. It was set to become one of the Maldives' premier luxury destinations. Unfortunately, the project ran out of funding before it could be completed. Despite attempts to sell the development, it was ultimately abandoned and left to the elements.
That's bouncy. Oh my god. I reckon it's a bar.
It was sad to see just how much of the resort has deteriorated over the years. A post by Out Chasing Stars showed the resort as it appeared in 2018, and in the 6 years since, the decline has been dramatic. Many of the roofs have disappeared, timber deck planking has been removed, and some of the building frames have collapsed. Slowly, the resort is being reclaimed by the elements, and with each passing year, erasing more of what was once an incredibly ambitious vision. I can't imagine how difficult it must have been for those involved to walk away from a project that was so close to completion. Standing there, you can still see the potential it once had, but sadly, it was never to be.
Here they come!
There's a lot of
See
them.
them now. Yeah. Dolphins are passing.
Chris is going to try swimming with them. He'll scare them off. Better hurry. Keep going too slow. So, alright. Ears off. To you guys. Whoa! Yeah! And I don't think I might have got it. I'm not sure. Oh, they're all swimming. They're all aiming for him.
Those splashes over there, Chris. Yeah. But those are the dolphins right there. Oh!
That's some nice jumping.
Go to the bow and videotape them passing is the
Yeah.
best bit.
They're all around. You got them at the back. Got them on the sides. And they're on the front going through. There's a lot of them.
After swimming out to where the huge pod had been passing through, I was puzzled that I hadn't seen a single dolphin in the crystal clear water. Then I noticed a wall of bubbles surrounding me and realised what was happening. They were staying deep beneath the surface. Taking a deep breath, I dived down and finally caught sight of the pod gently sliding below me. There were dozens of dolphins passing through, but unfortunately they weren't interested in getting any closer, continuing on their way as gracefully as they had appeared.
Oh, you were not lying.
In our clearance procedures, Uligan. My thongs are looking good now, eh? There's nobody here. It's a ghost town. No one here anywhere. So this is Uligan. We're clearing out. Trying to juggle our parcel delivery in the middle of it. God, there's nobody here. There's a few people out now. Prayer's just finished. So what is it? It's Ramadan, isn't it? So that's why everyone's only just started day 3, so everyone's away. I just had to call to prayer, so there's no one out. It's like a ghost town. It's nothing. It's just the streets are empty. Come on, is it open? No ice creams for you.
Eggs every day for breakfast. We're gonna. The field is.
You found the bakery. How are you going to fit it in his fridge and freezer? That's a big bag. Oh, that's classic. All right, the bakery. Yeah. So we're filled up, fooded up, stocked up, provisioned. We're ready to clear tomorrow morning. We're heading off for the Red Sea.
Bye! We won't see them for a really long time. Bye!
We're all cleared out.
Yes.
It took 24 hours to clear out. Now you don't know what the delay was. We were waiting for the harbour master. Where did the harbour master come from?
Oh, the island that you
Fushi, where we went to, and they were unhappy. So he held us up for 24 hours. So they're not happy about it, but we're cleared. We're off. We're heading off now. So we're heading off with Tujan and Paris Emperor. So 3 Seawind convoy to the Red Sea. Here we go. Destination go.
Fingers crossed.
All right, let's go.
We need to set our target.
Set our destination. Hang on,
Right.
I'll get a shot of it.
Okay.
It's all crooked. Okay, go.
You ready? Let's girl out.
You get on.
Dolly dolly.
Yeah. Jeepers.
Oh, still need to go. Still needs to go. Still needs to go. Oh,
There it is.
so there.
Zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in right to the point. Yeah. Zoom in. Go to.
Go to cursor. Ouch!
Oh, 1,125 miles. Holy moly.
Oh.
Time to destination at this rate is 1,600 hours. We're going to get moving.
I think they're saying 9 days.
Yeah, 10 days, 10 days again. It's the same distance we just did.
Yeah.